Hey there, I want to show you how to set an interval and then also clear the interval inside of that interval. So yeah, I'm just going to give you this example from this thing that I already have written out here. You can see I got a set interval here, and the way I'm going to be able to clear it inside one of these sections in here is just I'm going to give it a name. So I'll do const add state class, I don't know, class, I'm just going to write add state ID is what I'm doing here. So when we give it a name, it gives us the ability to clear it by calling that name later on. Like the way I want to do it is inside of this if here at the end, so, or probably at the beginning, really. Honestly, it probably doesn't matter at all. Maybe it would be less confusing at the end, actually. So I'm going to do clear interval and then just type that variable name in there that we just added up there. So doing that, I can show you what's going on in the browser here. So you can see it's actually this is kind of like it's on a loop now. It's going continuously. So if I go and upload and then refresh the page here, it's going to hopefully just do it one time and clear once. I'm going to load a map here. Once the states are loaded, it should just yeah, it looks like it worked there. It only ran once because you got that array 50 here, and then it cleared. And then if we go and check the states here, we'll confirm that yes, the function worked. The ID that I added was there, and so now it's working. So that's how you can use the clear interval in JavaScript.